Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the motorcycle and unloading the fork. With the bike secure, remove the front wheel and note spacer placement so reassembly stays accurate. Once the wheel is out, loosen the brake caliper bolts and hang the calipers from the frame. This prevents brake line stress. Then back off the lower pinch bolts on both forks. These first steps free the assembly while keeping alignment. They're quick but critical, because rushing here makes the middle steps harder and misalignment likely. Once done, support the top yoke and loosen the upper clamp bolts evenly to prevent twisting the steering stem. You then remove the lower clamp bolts and slide each fork leg down and out. Keep them vertical to avoid damaging seals. Mark each leg and clamp orientation for correct reinstallation. With the forks out, drain oil into a container and compress the forks slightly to expel residual fluid. Make sure to keep parts organized in order. This saves time and prevents seal damage later. To finish, replace any worn seals and bushings, then fill each fork to the manufacturer's oil level and viscosity. This restores damping and ride height. Slide the forks back into the triples in the same orientation, lightly tighten the clamps, torque them to spec in a cross pattern, then reinstall the wheel and brakes. Once assembled, bleed if needed and perform a slow test ride to check alignment and damping. If you feel wobble or binding, stop and recheck clamp torque and spacer positions, the most common issues after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.